Once upon a time in the land of letters, all the alphabets lived happily together. Each letter had its own special job. A was always active, B was the best baker, and C loved to cook colourful cupcakes. But one day, something strange happened. Z, the last letter of the alphabet, went missing. Without Z, things in the land of letters started to get a little wacky. Words like zoo turned into oo, and zebra became ebra. The other letters knew they had to find Z before the whole alphabet turned topsy-turvy. A, B, and C decided to lead the search party. They marched through Alphabet Forest, climbed up Mount Vowel, and even crossed the River of Rhymes. Along the way, they met many of their letter friends. D was dancing, E was exercising, and F was fishing. Everyone wanted to help find Z. Finally, they reached the end of Alphabet Road, where they found a giant door shaped like a Z. It was Z's secret hideout. They knocked on the door and Z opened it with a big yawn. "Z, where have you been?" asked A. Z stretched and said, "Oh, I was just taking a nap. Being the last letter is hard work, you know." Everyone laughed and agreed that Z deserved a rest. But they also realised how important every letter was to make words and keep things running smoothly. They all returned to the land of letters, and everything was back to normal, with Z wide awake and ready to join in on the fun. From that day on, the letters worked together to make words, sentences, and stories for everyone to read and enjoy. And Z, well, Z decided to take shorter naps from then on. And so, in the land of letters, every letter lived happily ever after, from A to Z.